it's Miyaban. So today I'm gonna be showing you my pets. We're gonna start with my blue one, the obnoxious one, the female one. Like she's a bit obnoxious. Wait a second. Here she is. Yeah, I know she's a bit of a fighter. She bite a lot. Okay, so it's so hard to put you on the camera. So yeah, let me try again. Yeah. He doesn't bite much. Okay, so downstairs I have a dog. Right now it's too dark, so you probably won't be able to see him. And show him to you. Okay? And he's so nice and cute, and he doesn't bite. My dog has better manners than that person. Okay, so leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.